Hi everybody, Alex Deploy from Expert Forex, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a recent development that is going to help all our clients create better settings for their robots and therefore better results for their robots. We are creating simulators for most of our robots, which makes it easy, understandable, quick, and allows you to be creative when looking for settings for your robot. So let's have a look at this great tool. So on your screen, you can see an Excel model that we've built that incorporates all the trading logic of the lucky trader. And this enables us to simulate what would happen if you use certain sets of settings and under specified price action. Now, the biggest advantage of this particular model that I think is important is that it also incorporates margin requirements in your trading. Traders often ignore margin trading and they only watch the profitability of their EA. But enough of that, let's have a look at this model. This is an Excel what-if model that I've created, as I say, incorporating all the logic of the actual trading EA. And there are actually 5 things that you need to be aware of. Firstly, here are the main settings. The real drivers of profitability have been isolated here, and here you can change those. Those blue inputs are flexible, and you can play around and change those to see what results you get when you change them. Also, before you can even start using this model, you need to tell it the nature of your trading account, what the pip value is of the instrument that you're using, what the margin is of the instrument that you're using, and then the size of your account. Once you've told it that and you've applied some of the basic settings, you then go to the scenario testing, and that's where you then start testing and saying, what will happen if there's a wrong direction grid movement of 7 grids and then suddenly a right direction, in other words, a retracement of 2? This Excel model is instantaneous. It will tell you immediately what the results are in terms of, and here's the next important item, here's the output from that model. It tells you what the profitability will be, in this case $136, but it also tells you what the maximum drawdown on your account will be, which includes margin. So we can tend to think of drawdown as profitability, but it includes margin. So here you can see how high the drawdown was on a $2,000 account because of this particular model. So that's the advantage. So, and that is why a lot of people have profitable strategies, but they blow their accounts because they run out of margin. So that's the basic model. And then what's in addition to that, there's a grid calculation sheet. It's merely for calculation purposes. You needn't worry about that. But then there's a simulation sheet that actually shows you the transactions as they would appear on your account at the various grid levels. So for instance, here's the start, then it goes down. As you've seen, the setting that we used was 7 down and 2 up. So it goes 7 trades down, negative, and then it goes 2 up, and then it tells you at that point you have hit your target. And the profitability, if you'll remember, that was the profitability that existed then. Then if we look at the margin exposure, here you can see how high the margin exposure is, and it then says free funds, which is taking margin into account but also profitability, and it says, oh, you only $200 are free in your account, and that's where that drawdown figure comes from. And so it measures margin. There's the margin requirements. It measured equity in terms of the your account minus the trading results, and then it says, okay, well, in fact, you only have so much available in your account, and there's out of funds. It says okay now, and I'll show you an example where we run out of funds and there's a margin call. It will actually tell you when there's a margin call. So that's the nature of this. Fantastic. You can play around with it, and the whole thing here is there are no ways of getting the perfect settings, but what you do is you just experiment. You just say, for instance, what if we started with 2 successful and then had two retracements? Oh, we'd make $26 and our drawdown would only be $64. What if we had 3? So you can start playing around with different scenarios. What if we had 4? That type of thing. What if we only had 1 retracement? What would happen? Oh, we go into a loss. So 1 retracement wouldn't work. 2 retracements would be necessary. If we did 5, let's have a look. Profitable. There's the drawdown. What if we only had 1 retracement on 5? That's still negative. So it starts telling you how the EA works in relation to those settings that you've put in here. So what you can do now, and you can say, oh, how can I make that minus 22 profitable? So you can start playing around here. Let's say the grid factor, let's make it 90. Let's see if that changes. Oh, that improved it. Do you see how that improved it? So let's make it 100. Oh, all right, now we've got a profitable result, but the drawdown is slightly higher. So that's what you can do, is you can start playing around with the settings to see how they impact profitability and the drawdown at the same time. And you can see this is a very easy to use model, and what's happened is we found that our EA users are not very competent when it comes to optimization, and this is a form of optimization. It allows you to see instantaneously the results of your decision. So let's have a look. If I move that 100%, for instance, to 110%, let's see what happens. Oh, suddenly the profitability is starting to shoot up. So it's starting to tell us what the preferred profit setting should be for this particular EA. But you can now start playing around. Okay, let's go for 2 retracements, see if it's still profitable. Two retracements makes it incredibly profitable. So this is why you can play around and really find particular settings particular to the EA, to the instrument that you're using, because we're telling it what the pip value of your instrument is and what the margin of your instrument is. And it also tells you whether you've got enough money in your account. Great tool. Go and download it. If you're an owner of the Lucky Trader, go and download this tool. If you're an owner of any other EA, I'm happy to create the same kind of model for that EA. Just let me know and I'll do it. You can see it's quite an intricate EA. Took me 20 minutes to do, and another hour or so to refine. So, and I love this part where it is where you see trade by trade. Just to show you, let's see. Let's force a negative situation in here. Let's see. One. See if we can force. All right, that's a negative. I don't particularly want a negative result, but let's see if we let's just be silly and put the lot sizing to 5. Boom. Let's make it 6. Didn't work. I wanted to show you a margin call. All right, so what's happened here is the results are nice and high, but your account has achieved a margin call. Now that's example of what I say. Sometimes the strategy is profitable, but your account gets blown. And why did this happen? So now we go to the simulator and we say, there's the profitability. The profitability goes down. At that point, the profitability is minus $600. But because we need so much money for the margin, and we've told it how much the margin charges are, then we have a negative account, and that is a margin. Okay, so I think you're getting an idea of this tool, because remember, finding winning settings is an art and a skill. There are many settings that don't work, but this tool allows you to find settings that work for your profitability and to ensure that you don't get a margin call because you're using too much margin. Now, for those lucky trader owners who download this model, we have a step-by-step instructions on how to use it. So there is the model you've just seen. We tell you a bit about the model. Then we say where to find these margins and pip values, because they are shown on the lucky trader. There's the pip value I've just used, there's the margin I've just used, and that you just input them into the model, and that's step one. You've got to tell them what kind of account you're using. Then you say which scenario do you want to use, like the 7-2 scenario or whatever you want to do. Then you have a look at the results of that scenario. There's 30, and that's still okay. It's not red. And then and then you look at the simulator. Step 4, you look at the simulator, and you can see how the results have unfolded and how they became positive, and how the margin management happened. So fantastic there. And there's more information that we provide on the simulation tab, or what all those columns mean. The really exciting part is to now play around, experiment, use different scenarios, use different settings, and find the optimal situation for your account size, for your leverage, and for the instrument that you are trading. A really, really fantastic tool to make it easy for the average EA user to use. And then we say where to from now. Now remember, those are settings that we've determined theoretically. What you now need to do is you need to trade them forward for a week or two and apply such tests that allow you to gain confidence to trade this particular EA live based on this exercise and your forward trading. Now I hope you're as excited as I am because of the fact that we can take an EA and create an Excel model using the same logic as the EA. And then we can use this simulator to very quickly give you feedback of the impact of the settings that you're using on your profitability, but also on your exposure to margin. And it's a very good replacement to optimization. Any links to anything mentioned in this video will be available in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. So go to this page. There you can download the model, have a look at it. It's quite an exciting model. I'm so happy about it. And also think about the EAs that you would like to create a model for that is next in line. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past.